continuity of the function f given by f of x is equal to 4 minus x square if x less than or equal to 0, x minus 5 if 0 less than x less than or equals to 1, 4x square minus 9 if 1 less than x less than 2, and 3x plus 4 if x greater than or equals to 2 at the point 0, 1, 2. So given question is check the continuity of the function f at the given point 0, 1, 2. That is, we have to check the continuity of the function of the given function at these points, at these 3 points 0, 1, 2. So first I write the given function here. So given that f of x is equals to, so the values are, the first value 4 minus x square if x less than or equals to 0, and this is equals to x minus 5 if 0 less than x less than or equals to 1, and this is 4x square minus 9 if 1 less than x less than 2, and equals to 3x plus 4 if x greater than or equals to 2. So this is the given function. So we have to check the continuity of the function. So first we check the continuity at the value 0. That is, first we take that a is equal to 0. Now to check the continuity, first we have to check the limit existence. So finding the left hand limit value and right hand limit value. So left hand limit is equals to, what is the left hand limit formula? Limit extends to a minus f of x, and this is equals to limit extends to, what is a value? Here we take that a is equal to 0. That is 0 minus f of x. 0 minus means x less than 0. X less than 0. So the function is equal to 4 minus x square. So we take that function value 4 minus x square. 0 minus less than 0. Function is equals to 4 minus x square. Now substituting that x is equal to 0 here, then 4 minus 0 is equals to 4. Therefore left hand limit is equals to 4. Now finding the right hand limit value, limit extends to a plus f of x is equals to limit extends to a plus, what is a value? We take that a is equal to 0 here, 0 plus f of x, 0 plus x greater than 0. So this is x greater than 0 case. So x greater than 0, then the function value is equals to x minus 5. So we take that function is equals to x minus 5, and substituting that x is equal to 0 here, 0 minus 5 is equal to minus 5. So here left hand limit is equals to 4 and right hand limit is equals to minus 5. Both values are not equal. Left hand limit is not equals to right hand limit. So limit does not exist. So limit does not exist at a is equal to 0. So limit does not exist at a is equal to 0 means function f of x is not continuous at a is equal to 0. So this is not continuous at a is equal to 0, since limit is not existed at a is equal to 0. So the function is not continuous at a is equal to 0. Now checking the continuity at a is equals to 1. So here also first we have to find the left hand limit and right hand limit values. So left hand limit is equals to limit extends to a minus f of x, and this is equals to limit extends to, what is a value here? 1. 1 minus f of x. So what is f of x? X less than 1. 1 minus means x less than 1. X less than 1. So the function is equals to x minus 5. That is x minus 5. Now substituting that x is equal to 1 here, then 1 minus 5 is equals to minus 4. So this is left hand limit value. Now finding the right hand limit. So right hand limit is equals to limit extends to a plus f of x. So this is equals to limit extends to 1 plus, a is equals to 1 here, 1 plus means x greater than 1. So x greater than 1, what is the function? X greater than 1 means the function is equal to 4x square minus 1. X greater than 1, this is the condition, 4x square minus 9. So function is equals to 4x square minus 9. Now substituting that x is equal to 1 here, 4 minus 9 is equals to minus 5. So here also left hand limit is not equals to right hand limit. Left hand limit is not equals to right hand limit. So limit does not exist at a is equals to 1. Limit does not exist at a is equals to 1. Therefore f of x is not continuous at a is equals to 1. So at this point also the function is not continuous. F of x is not continuous at a is equals to 1. Now checking the continuity at a is equals to 2. So at a is equals to 2. So finding the left hand limit value, left hand limit is equals to limit x tends to a minus f of x. So this is equals to limit x tends to a is equals to 2 here, 2 minus f of x. 2 minus means x less than 2. So x less than 2 means the function is equal to 4x square minus 9. So we take that 4x square minus 9 and substituting that x is equal to 2 here. 4 into 2 square. 2 square is equals to 4. So 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. So this is the left hand limit value. Now finding the right hand limit value. RHL is equals to limit x tends to a plus f of x. So this is equals to limit x tends to a plus x is equal to 2. 2 plus x tends to 2 plus x tends to 2 plus means x greater than 2. So x greater than 2, then the function is equal to 3x plus 4. So substituting that 3x plus 4 here, 3x plus 4 is equal to, now taking that x is equal to 2, 3 into 2 plus 4, 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. So here also the two values are not equal, therefore left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. So limit does not exist at a is equals to 2. Limit does not exist at a is equals to 2. Therefore, f of x is not continuous at a is equals to 2. F of x is not continuous at a is equals to 2. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem, find real constants a comma b so that the function f given by f of x is equal to sin x if x less than or equal to 0 and x square plus a if 0 less than x less than 1, bx plus 3 if 1 less than or equals to x less than or equal to 3 and this is equals to minus 3 if x greater than 3 is continuous on R. So question is find the real constants a comma b. Now we have to find these two constants values. So given that the function is continuous on R. So this is continuous on R means continuous at every real number. That is, so the function is continuous at x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3. So we take that this is a continuous function at x is equal to 0 and 1 and 3. We take those conditions to find the real constants a comma b. So applying the continuity condition, we have to find the constants values. So first I take the given function here, given that f of x is equals to, so the function is sin x if x less than or equal to 0 and x square plus a if 0 less than x less than 1 and bx plus 3 if 1 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 3 and this is minus 3 if x greater than 3. So this is the given function and also given that f of x is continuous on R. So f of x is continuous on R. Continuous on R means it is continuous at 0, 1, 3 which implies f of x is continuous, which implies f of x is continuous at 0, 1, 3. So first I take that continuity at x is equals to 0. Since f of x is continuous, at a is equal to 0, limit existed at a is equal to 0. Limit exists at a is equal to 0. So given that this is continuous at all the values 0, 1, 3. That is, this is continuous at a is equal to 0. Limit exists at a is equal to 0. What is the meaning of the limit existence? Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. That is, limit x tends to 0 minus is equals to limit x tends to a minus f of x is equals to limit x tends to a plus f of x. That is, limit x tends to a is equal to 0. 0 minus f of x. What is f of x function? 0 minus. 0 minus means function is equal to sin x. Sin x is equals to limit x tends to 0 plus a is equal to 0. 0 plus x greater than 0. So x greater than 0 means function is equals to x square plus a. X greater than 0. Function is equals to x square plus a. Now substituting that x is equal to 0 here, that is sine 0 is equal to 0 plus a. But what is sine 0 value? 0 is equals to a. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 0. So, this is the first answer. Now, taking that, since f of x is continuous at a is equal to 3. So, here we can apply the condition at a is equal to 0 or 1 or 3. First, we applied that continuity condition at a is equal to 0. Now I apply the condition at a is equal to 3 to get the second constant. Since f of x is continuous at a is equal to 3, limit exists at a is equal to 3. Limit exists at a is equal to 3. That is, left hand limit is equals to right hand limit. So, left hand limit means limit x tends to a minus f of x is equals to limit x tends to a plus f of x. That is, limit x tends to a minus s. That is, here we take that a is equal to 3. 3 minus f of x. So, x less than 3. X less than 3, then what is the function? X less than 3 means the function is equal to bx plus 3. So, bx plus 3 is equals to limit x tends to 3 plus x greater than 3. X greater than 3, then the function is equal to minus 3. Is equals to minus 3. Now substituting that x is equal to 3 here, that is 3b plus 3 is equal to minus 3. Then 3b is equal to minus 3 minus 6. Then the value of b is equal to minus 2. Therefore, a is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 2. That's all. These are the answers.